Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create ledgers and vouchers. We'll start by understanding their fundamental roles in accounting. Ledgers provide a comprehensive record of all financial transactions, categorized by account. Vouchers, on the other hand, act as the initial evidence for each transaction, ensuring accuracy and authorization. Together, they form the backbone of reliable financial record-keeping for any business, big or small. We'll cover the essential information needed for both, ensuring you can maintain precise financial records. Creating a ledger involves several clear steps. First, identify all necessary accounts, such as cash, sales, or expenses. Next, assign a unique identifier, like a number or code, to each ledger for easy reference. Then, accurately record the opening balance for every account. Finally, meticulously post all debit and credit transactions to their respective ledgers, ensuring that every financial movement is captured correctly and completely. When creating a voucher, begin by identifying the specific transaction, for example, a cash payment or a purchase. It is crucial to include essential details such as the date, the exact amount, and a clear description of the transaction. Always ensure that proper authorization signatures are obtained to validate the voucher. Finally, attach any supporting documents, like invoices or receipts, to provide complete evidence for the transaction recorded. To ensure robust financial management, always maintain consistency in your accounting methods. Regularly reconcile your ledger balances with bank statements to catch any discrepancies promptly. It is vital to store all your vouchers and ledgers securely for at least 7 years, as they are critical for audits and future reference. Periodically review your financial records to confirm accuracy, completeness, and compliance with all relevant regulations, keeping your finances in excellent order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.